What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to remove the delay between opening menu items into your Windows computer. Can you see the delay that happens right after I hovering this menu to open the submenus? How to fix it in order to turn Windows lighter and faster? This is what I'm gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your starter menu, just like this, and you can type run, just like this. Then into this menu, we're gonna type Regedit, just like this, REJEDIT, okay, just like this. Say yes, and you're gonna be able to find this menu right here. I'm gonna click into this second option, current user, double click. Then I'm gonna go to control panel, double click. Then I'm gonna use the option desktop. Then I'm gonna search right here for M. And the one that I'm looking for mouse show delay. This option right here, menu show delay. Click on modify. As you can see, we have 400. We can type 0 and OK. Now if you go to the menu, it's gonna appear immediately, no delay. In the case that you don't like, you can always make it back, modify, and change the number value right here, just like this. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.